Hey guys, what's up? Raptor here. I hope you guys are well. Welcome back in another YouTube video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get an early update of my upcoming videos. So in this video, I am going to show you guys how you can activate the Starpower Pioneer NFT and earn the Nova points. And the second thing, I will show you guys how you can join the Starpower 30 million star tokens airdrop. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on the starpower.world website. So what is Starpower? Recently I make a complete video about the Starpower DePIN project, so you can check out. Link is available on the top right corner of the screen. So in this video I am going to show you how you can activate the Pioneer NFT for 100 days and earn the Nova points. So these points will convert to Starpower native token star after the Starpower mainnet launch. So as you can see, I am on this NFT activation guide. Activate your 100-day Nova claiming eligibility by locking and activating your Pioneer NFT. If you don't have a Pioneer NFT yet, you can purchase on Magic Edens and follow the steps below to complete activation. So if you don't have the Pioneer NFT, you can get it on magiceden.io. So link is available in the video description. Okay, so I already have the Pioneer NFT, as you can see in my Phantom wallet. Okay, NFT. So here you can see the Pioneer pass number 9624. So this is my NFT. Its floor price is around 0.26 Sol, around 49 or $50. Okay, open the official website starpower.world and click on NFT activation in the upper right corner. So as you can see, NFT activation, click on this link and you can see get NFT reward, Pioneer Pass NFT wallet address, Starpower DApp account email, NFT token address on SolScan. Okay, fill in the form information as required. Ensure you have submitted accurate information to complete the activation. Pioneer Pass NFT wallet address, the wallet address of the NFT you currently hold. Use this wallet to register and complete Starquest can get NFT bonus reward. Okay, check the token address of the NFT on the blockchain and fill it in the last field. Okay, after filling it out, submit the form and then send the NFT to the official wallet address, this one. Okay guys, so Pioneer Pass NFT wallet address. So I'm going to copy my NFT wallet address from here. You'll need your Solana wallet address. Here, receive, copy and paste over here. Okay, so here is my email address. Okay, NFT token address on SolScan. So as you can see on the SolScan, here is the NFT token address. You can copy it from here, copy and paste over here. That's it. Please transfer the Pioneer Pass NFT to the following official wallet address within 6 hours after submission. So click this submit button and after this submit the NFT on this official wallet address. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, submit. So as you can see, success. Form is now submitted. Okay, so as you can see, here is the Pioneer NFT. Click on send. Enter the recipient Solana address. Click on next. So as you can see, confirm send. So here is the network fee. Okay, click on send. Make sure your address is right one. Okay, click on send. So sending. That's it. Our NFT has successfully sent. Okay, so close this. Okay guys, so wait for system to complete the verification The Pioneer NFT card will be automatically activated in the Starpower app. When this message appears on your app's personal page, it means activation is complete. So you can see this message in your Starpower app personal tab. Okay, after completing the activation, you'll need to wait for 24 hours for activating the Pioneer Pass NFT. So let's wait for 24 hours and see if our NFT is successfully activated or not. So see you guys after 24 hours.
Tomorrow.
Okay guys, so after 24 hours, as you can see on the Starpower app, my Pioneer Pass NFT is now activated. As you can see this golden badge, Pioneer NFT activation card. You can see here below the grand balance 142 Nova is available for claim. You can claim these Nova points after 6 hours or 2 times a day. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now claiming. And that's it. And in the personal tab, you can see my total earn T-Star tokens from the Star Plug device, and here you can see the collectibles Pioneer Pass number 9624, and it's now activated in our Starpower app. So you can see this NFT, and here you can see in the devices my Star Plug device is running. Okay, so if you don't know what is the Nova points, so you can click on this question mark icon and you can read about the grant card. So what is Nova? Nova is the energy point system within the Starpower ecosystem. These points can be exchanged for Starpower's native token after the Starpower mainnet launch. So that's it guys. Here you can see how we can activate the Pioneer Pass NFT and earn the Nova points in the Starpower mobile app. So my recommendation is for Starplug device. You can buy the Starplug device for $109 and earn the T-Star tokens continuously, where the NFT will be expired after 100 days. So please do your own research.
Okay guys, so if you want to join the Starpower 30 million tokens airdrop campaign, so if you have the Star Plug device, so you will be eligible for the Star tokens airdrop. So if you don't have the Star Plug device, so you can buy it from the Starpower shop. So you can connect this device with your power socket and earn the T-Star tokens. So currently this project is in testnet, and according to team, the mainnet is expected to launch in the end of 2024. So if you want to buy, check out, link is available in the video description, and you can use my coupon code Raptor5 for $5 off on your purchase. So if you have the Star Plug device, you will be eligible for Starquest Airdrop, and also if you have the Pioneer Pass NFT in your wallet, you will be eligible for airdrop. Okay, no problem. If you don't have the NFT and Star Plug device, you will still be eligible for the Starquest airdrop. Just register your Solana wallet address over here. As you can see, here is my Solana wallet address. Go to the profile and connect wallet, connect Phantom wallet. Okay, confirm sign message, and as you can see, I'm already registered. So you can also register your Pioneer Pass wallet address and Starplug wallet address, and after the registering you will need to apply the coupon code, so you can use my code for Starquest and boost your rank, and that's it. You will successfully be eligible for the Starquest airdrop. So after the campaign end, the tokens will be airdropped to your registered wallet addresses. So hurry up and join the Starquest airdrop. So that's pretty much for it guys. In this video I show you how you can activate the Pioneer Pass NFT and earn the Nova points, and also how you can onboard for Starpower 30 million Star tokens airdrop. So I'll recommend you to join this project early because it's still in the testnet phase and mainnet launching in the end of 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and share, and if you guys have any question related project, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys later in the next video. Goodbye.